Hello, I'm Ken with Orion Telescopes and Binoculars, and this is a little bit different type of filter that we have come out with. They're not your normal red, green, and blue color filters. These are planetary filters, first of all. They're for imaging details on Jupiter, Saturn, Venus, Mercury, Mars, but in different wavelengths than you're used to. Whereas before, a standard filter might be a red, a green, and a blue filter for a true color visual representation of the planet. These are very specialized. There are infrared, ultraviolet, and then a methane filter, or methane depending on where you come from. So these are designed to boost the contrast on certain features of the planets, more so than you're used to. So you get a very interesting look. It really brings out certain features of each of the planets. So these filters work very well with monochrome cameras. The UV filter passes wavelengths less than 400 nanometers in the visible spectrum. The IR passes wavelengths greater than the 700 nanometer cutoff in the visible spectrum. And then the methane is a specific narrowband filter centered around 889 nanometers. They're all reflective, anti-reflective coating, so you don't lose as much light as you would otherwise. And each of the filters, like I said, is designed for different features. Surface heat signatures of Venus and Mercury work very well with the IR. The red spot on Jupiter glows very bright with the methane filter. You can use the IR filter instead of a luminance filter for a very big boost in contrast over what a normal luminance clear filter would give you. To give you an idea of what these filters are capable of, we have two very handy observing guides, one for Jupiter and one for Mars. And in the Jupiter map, in the back here, is the wavelengths of Jupiter. That's a picture taken through an IR filter. The next is the methane, and then in the end here, that's the UV filter. So you can see what these filters are capable of on Jupiter. And then with this one, the map of Mars, inside we have a very nice shot that you can see through infrared. So a very high contrast view of the surface when you image through an IR filter looking at Mars. All right, so there you have it. This is a set of very specialized filters designed for monochrome cameras, shooting certain features on Jupiter, Saturn, pretty much all of the planets. The infrared, the IR, the UV, that's ultraviolet, and then the methane filter. Thank you very much. Clear skies.